Prime, a certified nursing assistant in Dallas, claims her employer sent her home because her daughter living in Kenya visited her for 2 days last week.
The nurse, who is originally from Kenya, was shocked at her employer's behavior, given that Ebola has not yet been reported in Kenya. Catherine Nwanso has that story.
Since the United States of America reported its first Ebola case in Texas, USA officials are now on high alert.
We must admit, along the way, we have seen ample opportunity for improvement, considering this was the first time that Ebola has been diagnosed on American shores.
42-year-old Thomas Duncan, a Liberian national, died last week, causing a panic, so much so that Texas health officials have ordered any person who entered the room of the first Ebola patient at Dallas Hospital not to travel by public transport, including planes, ships, buses or trains, or visit groceries, restaurants or theaters for 21 days until the danger of developing Ebola has passed. But Alice was nowhere near Thomas Duncan. However, the nurse who lives in North Dallas says her employer, Novus Health Services, fired her after she hosted relatives from Kenya. Perhaps it plays into the fact that most people living outside Africa have a preconceived notion that Africa is one big country, disregarding the fact that West Africa is at least 6,000 kilometers from Kenya and that the country is yet to record any Ebola case. Alice accuses Novus Health Services of Ebola profiling. The company asked her to fill in this form, which asked her if she had had any contact with anyone who had traveled or was showing signs of fever. And during this interview with a local television station in Dallas, Alice couldn't help but laugh at the situation.
You're laughing. Why are you laughing? Because it's funny to me.
Novus Health Services provides end-of-life care for its patients. Catherine Nwanso, KTN.